guys, this is Turakia of Fahrenheit Salon. You know, we often have clients asking us about color trends because after all, everyone wants to look on point, don't they? So this one's for you, where we share our top 5 color trends for 2021. So the number one trend that I want to talk about is red. Red hair color is going to be huge on the international and national markets. It's going to be gracing the runways and the red carpets all over. The good news is red is an amazing color especially for the Indian skin tone. In association with L'Oreal Professional, we too will soon be launching the Sherry Red collection in our salons. And when I say sherry, I don't mean cherry, but I mean sherry, which is a French term for darling or cherished. So look out for this trend, guys, because it's going to be huge. The second color trend is go bold or go old. The youth of today is really experimenting with hair colors. Ash, pinks, blues, greens, purples, rose golds, you name it, and they've tried it all. And then what a fun way of celebrating the new year, don't you think? With better quality pre-lighteners and funky colors now available, these colors are now super safe and long lasting. So go on and bring out your wild side. The third color trend is blonde balayage. Blonde? Well, the clue is in its name. This coloring technique fuses brown and blonde to create the most perfect sun-kissed color result. It's a perfect way for us Indian brunettes to get a bit of blonde in our hair without going platinum. You get a gorgeous balance of color by pairing baby highlights throughout the hair and framing the face and the roots with a much stronger balayage. This look has a universal appeal since it works for a wide range of hair colors, from dark black to dark blonde. The fourth color trend is chunky highlights. We are expecting that chunky highlights are about to make a huge comeback. These highlights are usually about 1 to 2 inches wide and are meant to create a stark contrast against your natural hair color. This trend was huge in the 90s, and like all good things, we're expecting that this too will be back in trend. The fifth coloring trend is return to the natural hues. Studies are showing that at the other end of the spectrum, more and more women are wanting to go back to the natural hair color. This empowers you to go to the dark side without full commitment because of its subtle dimensions. So we suggest interspersing this natural color with subtle balayage highlights done in the inner layers of the hair, similar to what I have done. This is an elegant, timeless and classic look. So that's it, guys. Those were our top 5 hair color trends for 2021. Choose the one that works the best for you, based on your face shape, hair texture, personality and lifestyle. So that's it for now. Bye-bye. Oh, wait. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.